So here's a tutorial on QuickBooks to purchase order. First of all, open up your browser and then search for QuickBooks. After that, click on the first link as shown here. Now, from here, you need to log into your account or buy a subscription. After that, you will get to see this dashboard. Now, click on the settings icon on the top right corner. After that, what you need to do is go over to your company and click on Account and Settings. So once you're in your account settings, go over to the left panel and select Expenses. Now you will get to see purchase orders right here. In order to use this purchase orders feature, you will need to upgrade your subscription. It is not available in my account since I'm using the basic subscription. So that is exactly how you can use purchase order on QuickBooks.